Hello everyone, today we will learn about chapter 4 decimal. Topic multiplications by 10, 100,000. That is a very simple. Now your second topics multiplications of a decimals by a whole numbers. You can say direct and you can say shortcut name MDW. Multiplications, decimals, whole numbers. Last multiplications of a decimals by a decimals MDD. You can say shortcut in your mind. Remember shortly MDD. So we are going to confirm your first topic multiplications by 10 and 100 and 1000. That is a very simple. Okay, you can do it easily. Examples. If we take any decimals numbers, example, if we take 3.25, okay, and multiply by 10, we confirm a 3 example. First 10, second with 100, third with 1000. So we take a first with 10. First you take any decimal numbers. We take a 3.25 multiply with 10. If you write here this side, okay, and you go with ready for multiply 0, 0 to 0, 3, 0. If you multiply 0 with any numbers, you got a 0. So I write here 0, 0, 0. That is simple form. Okay, you know that. Then multiply by 1. 1 5 the 5, 1 2 the 2, 1 3 the 3, and you last work add 5 2 3. This is called product. This is called product. And now last work, you count the place decimal place digit. So you count 1 2. Okay, you put the point right side in product. This is right side. First you count a decimal place and put the point in product right side. So 1 2, put the here 2. Now you get your product 32.50. You can say 32.5. That is simple. You can do it this way, and your technical way how to find out the in 2 seconds you get the product. Okay, so I understanding for you. You write here 3.25 multiply 10. You write here 10. You look here 1 0 and you write 1 0 and you write the same number and you count the decimal 1 2 decimal place 1 2. You write here 2. You got 32.50. That is a very easy. Now we learn this types. Okay. Now we learn this types. That is a very you can follow these rules every classes. There is a long way. You can technically how to find in under 1 minute 1 second decimal point if you multiply 10 100 1000. Okay, so you can this side this type. Okay, 3.25 multiply 10. You write here 0 and you write here 0 and you write here same numbers. Okay, I confirm your here by simple form. So 0 to 0 0. If we multiply any number with 0, you got a 0, and if we multiply 1 by any number, you got a same numbers. So you write here same way, and you can find out the under 1 second 2 second this way. So I hope you can understand this thing. Okay, I erase this. I hope you can understand next examples with same numbers with 100. Okay, now you can write here 32500. Here 20, you write here 20, and then count the decimal place 1 2. You write here point. Sorry, you count this right side in product 1 2. You write here point here. You got a 325.00 and you write 25. Okay, you got a product under 2 seconds of this way. I hope you can understand. Next examples for same number 3.25 multiply 1000. If you multiply with 1000, you got a 30. You write here 30 and you write the same number. Okay, and you count the decimal place 1 2. You write here decimal place 1 2 right side. Okay, right side. You got a number 3250. Okay, you can say 3250. Okay, you can understand this way. You can do it. Now we are going to your second point. A multiplications of a decimals by a whole numbers, MDW. Multiplications decimal with whole number. So you look here. First we take example 2.42. Okay, and multiply with any whole number. You can take any whole number 2, 4, 5, 6. You can take as your according your self. So you write here this side and this form, and now calculate and you count the table of this number. 2 2s are 4, 2 4s are 8, 2 2s are 4, and your last work. This is called product. This is called product. You put the decimals in products. First you count the decimal place 1 2. You write here this side count 1 2. You write here point. Okay, 2 placed. Okay, your calculation is correct. This types you marks a decimal in multiplication product. So I can understand you learn this way. Now we are going to take a second examples 4.32 multiply by 6. Now you write here this form and multiply by 6. 6 2s are. First you multiply forget with your point. First you multiply forget with your point. Now you get a product. Then your work count the decimal place and you write the point in product right side. So first you multiply this number 6 2s are 12, 1, 6 3s are 18 plus 1 19, 6 4s are 24 and 1 24 and 1 25, and your product ready for decimal. So you count the decimal place 1 2. So you count the right side in product 2 digit 1 2. Okay, you mark the decimal here. Okay, I hope you can understand. This way you can do it, a product multiplication of a decimal whole numbers. So we are going to your third topics, multiplications of a decimal by a decimal numbers. Now we are going to take example 3.2 multiply 2.5. Okay, first you write this form. First you multiply, forget with your point. Forget your point. So we are going to first multiply this number for this number to this number. 5 2s are 10, 5 3s are 15 plus 1 16, 2 2s are 4, 2 3s are 6. Okay, and you add this 0, 10, 6 4 10, 6 1 7 and 8. You got 800. This is called product. First you multiply, forget your decimal, you got a product. Then your last work, you count the decimal place 1 2. Decimal place 1 and 2. 1 in this number and 1 in this number. How many? 2 place. You write, you mark the decimal in product right side 1 2. You got 8.00. You can say 8. Okay, directly. Okay, I hope you can understand. If you multiply decimal to decimal numbers, then you forget your decimal point and you got a product, and then your last work, you count the decimal place, first number and second number. You got a first and 1 and 2 place. You write here right side marks decimal 2.12. Okay, I hope you can understand. Thank you.